Yes, style. Yeah, I'm just here for the vibe. Oh, my little heels go for shoes. Oh. So guys, we came to the pool. I'm kind of, oh. What do you guys think of the elevator? What damn? You don't have any thoughts.
I'm not running. You're not running? Yeah. You're not running? Are you lying? I don't think you do. If you did, you could run, but you said no.
Okay, this is what?
You don't want? You're not
So you guys gotta go though. You have to go. You have to go to school tomorrow. Come. Mess up. No, because why? W for why? Because I'm just not understanding, and my thing was on the whole time. Mess up. Please, it's hard out here, but good. I look good. You didn't know I left for class? I think every day I'll just stay in. Today was the first day I was trying out this Trader Joe's thing, and it was looking good. You know, it made me look really glowy and stuff, but you know, the rain had other plans. You know, so it's all good. Made it back safe, thank God. But this, yeah, it usually doesn't leave a white cast. It was making me look good as y'all saw before. But the rain. Welcome to class with my friendly friend. Yeah. We outside. Yeah. Hey, Rita, I'm gonna make me wet too. Our school is right there. I don't know where to go. Bye-bye. One up too far, I don't want to get stuck in the wind again. Over here? Yes. Yeah, I'm just here for the vibes.
I paid for your school fees to go and learn.
Vibes that scene, you know? We've got the chief here, period. That's right. No. They have C in your town, eh? Return other way. Okay, I'll help you this time. I haven't been helping. What is it, shellfish? I can't even talk. Seashell. We found a little seashell island in the middle of the water. Can you imagine? Wow. We're just resting here. Let's grab a seashell or two, shall we? Ooh. Oh. What is that? Oh, it's broken. Oh, did we break you? I'm sorry. The view is absolutely stunning. It's alright. Excuse right there. This is where we started from. All the way over there. We've been those are our friendly friends that we came with. Look how beautiful the sky is. Oh, imagine doing this at like sunset or something. Oh. Wee wee. Hello. You got me a special rocky rock for our friendly friendship. Thank you, wee. So slimy. Oh. The fish is already. Do you want to suck it and see if there's anything in there? I haven't eaten snail in so long. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround myself with positivity.
That's why
Get
I
in,
don't
get in
worry
before it
about
gets
the
too
days
crazy.
that
Rita,
I don't
get in,
see
I said.
you. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still
It's
dream
not
about
deep
the
at
days
all.
when we were young. I'll take a hit and still
Okay,
finish
let's
in
go
one.
back.
Yeah,
Are you ready to